Hey everybody, what is up? Yeah, I'm taking a walk at the Woodland Nature and Preserve here where I live at in Battle Creek, Michigan. Yeah, I haven't been out here for a long time. This is where I used to take my walks at. It's a beautiful park to come to. Very beautiful. Just there's some people that will come out here and long time ago they had numbered signs for these trails, but the people that own this park had decided to put name trails up, so it got name trails for them. And I guess the Boy Scouts, they're the ones that did these benches that you see right up here. And I believe somebody put some like bird houses out here as well. But you can tell they don't maintain the trails good. They used to mow them a lot, but they put like gates up. And then they got another sign here. Bluebird. And this is another trail that leads that direction. Yeah, this is a beautiful park. Get to see a lot of nature out here. A lot of scenery. A couple years ago, when I was able to walk, somebody pitched a tent out here. Yeah, pitched a tent in this area over here. It was tenting. But you know, I called the city about it, and then they told them they had to move, and I think you can't be tenting out here. But yeah, it's a beautiful day out here today. After having some rain yesterday. Got another birdhouse out here. Yeah, just not very much people come out here and take walks. Just a gorgeous day to get out for a walk. And there's some signs there, Beaver. I see they put some mulch down here. I see right there is the regular signs. And they got like a swamp area. I tell you, that poor bridge right there has been through a lot. You can tell how bad that bridge is. It's been through hectic. The year that they put this in, this whole area, people, was so dried up. So dried up. And it was easy to get across, but now these times you gotta be lucky enough to be able to get across, because look how flooded it gets back here. And They done so many things trying to make it that it wouldn't flood, but it does sometimes. And they got like an old machine there, right there. And I think that used to be to do potatoes. Yeah, potatoes. But you could tell people go across. There's another path that goes back there, but not going back there. Maybe another time. And they used to have a bench up in here, but that got destroyed. And who did these benches was some Boy Scouts. They're the ones that donated the benches out here to the park. Do any of you have a beautiful park where you're at that you take walks at? Let me know in the comment box. If any of you take walks at a park. And I encourage any of you, if like you got a phone or something, do a video. Yeah, do a video. Show me your park that you go to. I like to see your park. What it looks like. Yeah, I've done videos out here before. I know a lot of you probably get tired of my my cooking videos and my shopping videos, and hopefully this will draw people to watch and enjoy. But hey, I'm going to talk for a bit. Had somebody last night that was commenting to me about me having pork rinds and stuff, saying it puts fat on you. Sorry I had to block you, man, but it was stupid for what you said about me, and that was stupid. But what I do is I put the pork rinds in a food processor, and I crunch them up. That way I can use that for like coating for my chicken and stuff. Like for stuff like that. That's what I use pork rinds for. I don't eat them. I just use them to coat my chicken and stuff. And no, it doesn't put fat on you. And then another thing you was asking me about, number one, about my book reading channel. I do it because I love doing stuff like that. And I enjoy doing stuff like that. All right? It's in my heart that I love doing things like that. And number two, yeah, I got videos of women smoking. So what? Who cares? It's my fetish, all right? Don't you have a fetish? I'm sure you do, don't you? But, yeah, it's my fetish and stuff. I enjoy, watching them. Woman smoke, okay? It turns me on. And for my ASMR, yeah, I do ASMR, and it's not a snob thing. I do it because somebody requested me to do it. One of my subscribers a long time ago suggested for me to do ASMR, and that's why I do it. To that person that was cried over that too. Said, oh, you're a snob for doing it. No, I'm not no snob for doing it. I do it because I love doing it. I just don't eat. I do other things. I do card sounds. I do a lot of different things. I just don't sit there and eat. And, people enjoy stuff like that. I got a popular video there on my ASMR channel. It's the Lollipop one. They call me the Lollipop Man. But to you, I'm sorry that I had to block you and stuff, but you were being rude and obnoxious. Asking me these 3 questions. Oh, why do I have a book reading channel? Well, maybe I enjoy doing things like that. And, why do you think we all do things? Because we enjoy it. And why do I watch women smoke? Because it's my fetish. I got a fetish over women smoking. There ain't nothing wrong about it, okay? You know, there's women that love doing it. Because they know we watch. People like me watch. And they know we enjoy it. And for me being a snob doing ASMR, sorry, but I'm not no snob doing ASMR. I do it because I love doing it. All right? You know, you should be ashamed for yourself saying stuff like that. I hope you're out there watching. It just drives me nuts when got people want to cry over spilt milk. Lord. Well, yeah, there's another trail right there. Now back to showing you the park here. There's another trail that leads on to the other side. They got another side. And we'll adventure on that other side down the road. Yeah, haven't seen no mama or baby deer out here. I see a lot of deer out here sometimes. They'll be standing in the woods. And other times you don't see them. And I believe I've seen a fox out here before as well. Couple years ago. A lady used to own this property a long time ago. But I guess the city decided to, well, some people decided to take it and turn it into a park. Yeah, a long time ago I had high grass over here, but they decided to cut it down. Yeah, that's one thing I don't figure out. Why did they put a gate here? I do not understand that. And got a old kind of solo here. They used to have corn in it. I don't know how many times they had to paint it. There was talk about them fixing it up, but that never happened. Yeah, I got a map up here of the park. Wow, everybody. Sorry about that. My video stopped. But hey, I hope all of you enjoyed this adventure walk with me. And if you did, can you go thumbs up? Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel so they can come and check me out. Also, if you're new and you came along this video, hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. Hey, also hit that notification bell. Whenever I pop up a video, you will be notified. But until my next video, they call me Walking with Timothy. And this walking video is over. Have a good one. And thanks for watching.